Every family holiday begins with a hopeful rush. Suitcases open, maps unfold, and everyone feels wonderfully alive. Then the schedule starts quietly stealing the day. A beautiful view appears, yet no one truly looks. Someone checks the clock. Someone else checks tomorrow's bookings. A tired child wants water, rest, and one calm minute. But the next attraction is already waiting. Packed days promise memories, yet they often bring only hurry. The best moments arrive when nothing is demanded. Unhurried breakfast becomes a confession, soft and unexpected. A shoreline hour becomes a discovery, free of instructions. A lazy afternoon lets children invent magic from shells and sand. Parents finally notice their partners, their children, and themselves. No one is rushing, so no one is guarded. This is where travel turns into togetherness. Good logistics should disappear before the holiday begins. Transfers arrive smoothly, rooms feel prepared, and worries stay hidden. Space matters more than a crowded itinerary. One chosen experience can anchor the day beautifully. The rest should breathe. Children do not need constant entertainment. They need presence, patience, and time to wander. In spacious days, boredom blooms into imagination. In quiet evenings, conversation lingers past bedtime. The right place encourages slowing down without asking permission. Soft rooms, warm kitchens, and generous light invite staying in. A family trip should feel like being restored. Not impressive from outside, but deeply felt within. What you bring home is rest, closeness, and remembered calm. The radical thing, then, is beautifully simple. On your next family trip, do a little less. And let nothing become everything.